10 craziest engineering projects that failed. 1. The Hindenburg disaster, a catastrophe that puts a halt on passenger airships altogether. Hindenburg was an airship made in Germany and led to a big disaster that killed 36 passengers including crew members. The incident was caught on a video as well. The airship caught fire and also crashed while trying to dock itself in New Jersey. The reason, according to American and German investigators who worked on the original study, stated that the fire on the airship broke out because of electrostatic discharge which led to the ignition of the leaking hydrogen gas. After the Hindenburg disaster, the commercial use of passenger airships also ended. 2. The collapse of the Quebec Bridge, a mistake made twice. The Quebec Bridge collapsed twice in Canada. The first time, it was in 1907, and the second time, it happened in 1916. This disaster is known to have killed as many as 89 workers. It was the largest cantilever bridge in Canada and around the world. When the bridge collapsed in 1907, there were workers who were working on the cantilever arm, and almost 55 people were reported dead, either because of the falling debris or due to drowning. It was a big disaster for them, and they thought they had learned their lesson. So, they decided to build the bridge again. The second time, they used lower cords for the cantilevers, and they were much stronger than before. Yet again, disaster struck in 1916 and the central span of the bridge crumbled down. This time, it killed 13 workers. 3. Titanic, the fall of the mighty ship. Titanic is one of the most well-known engineering disasters in the world that claimed the lives of more than 1,500 people on board. Titanic was a passenger ship that took its first journey from Southampton and was supposed to go to New York in April of 1912. This British ship is known to have sunk after its collision with an iceberg. It is also considered an engineering failure because according to the tests on the several rivets, they were made up of very low-quality iron. Therefore, after a huge impact of the iceberg, it fell apart. It might be one of the biggest reasons that led to the sinking of the Titanic. Another fault that was discovered later was that the 16 compartments that were watertight were connected near the ceiling and were not individually sealed near the ceiling.